Fresh haircut. Feels like it's been months. Ooh, yeah. Nice bath. Looking good all the way around. Haircuts. Looking good.
Feeling great.
Feeling great. So we're at Courtney Farms today, and it's always beautiful here. People training in the background. Look at all the beautiful Christmas trees we got going on here. Even little baby Christmas trees on the back. Look at those, huh? Beautiful. Everything here is always good. 140. That's a beautiful tree. All these trees are gorgeous in here. Let's take a walk over here and see what we got. Oh yeah, look at this, huh? Look at these beautiful specimens coming in, huh? Got one coming in the background there. Looks lovely, huh? Absolutely beautiful. Look at those beautiful wreaths, huh? This is the cedar that Leland cypress, like Sandy had, and also died from the drought. Absolutely beautiful, huh? Look at these, how stunning. All fresh, all fresh. Don't you love those trains? Trees everywhere. Look at that, how beautiful. Boy, is that a specimen, huh? The smell is wonderful. Don't they smell great? Look at all these little babies over here, how beautiful. Oh, they got a gorgeous variety of them. That's beautiful, huh? Nice. That's a fine quality setting of trees up in here. Oh, look at these. I'm gonna have to get some of these. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Hey, Stefan.
These are the ones in Finding Dory when they pop up, they go, go away. No. They're hiding in the sand. Those are little coral shrimp. Yeah, that's what they say.
Something back there. This is like scuba diving. Yeah. Miniature Schefflera. Beautiful bromeliad Neregelia blooming in the back. Got some sphagnums going in here. Little Tillandsies going up in here. And there's our star. There he is. Emerald tree boa.
I love these fish. Bright blue lines on them.
Bromeliads, sphagnums, cryptanthus, rhinanthus.
Look, your favorite thing.
Salaginellas. Painted frogs. Those are terrace ferns in the back. Another bromeliad. That is a calathea, Marantha calathea right there. Look how good looking that is. Oh, that's beautiful. Swiss cheese monstera. Look at a beautiful begonia, Rex begonia. In a completely moist environment, just the way they would be in the rainforest. Look at that Tillandsia bulbosa right there. 100% humidity. I am impressed that it's completely so vibrant. Look, it's time for my close-up, huh? Come on. Come on. Got them all in the back. Look how cute those are, huh? More Tillandsias growing in here.